That's right, folks. I'm back for more commentary from the feline perspective. That's right. I've had something on my mind. Birds that I'd like to discuss with y'all. It's this relentless appetite for bird brain. Birds. Yeah. I want to talk about birds. I love birds. Now, I don't mind if a crow comes down and shares my cat food with me. They're kind of like a flying black cat. But if a little dove or a little sparrow come down, that's it. I'm pouncing. I'm going to crack that head open and get me some of that bird brain. Yeah, that's right. I want me one today. What? I think I heard me a bird. I'm gonna go get it. Later.